Alright guys, good morning. Just made it out to the pond. Gonna be fishing today. And I know this place don't look like much, but I promise it has some decent fish in it. It's early in the morning. It's like 6 o'clock. First cast of the day. I'm gonna fish a frog. Then I have a little Texas rigged Yum swimming dinger as well as a follow-up bait, or just in case they don't want the frog. I'm just gonna start by working these. I've got some grass right here. Start by working the outside of that. Work this bank. Typically in the morning, that's what I like to do, is work the bank. The fish should be pushed up pretty shallow. See if I can't pop off and get one. Alright, didn't get that strike on camera, but that's the first fish of the day. About a little 1.5 pounds on the frog. There we go. Absolutely smoked it. Oh, barely got him too. That's the first one though. All up in that grass. That was a really tough cast and a really bad angle. Very lucky I got that fish because I barely hooked him. First little grass bass of the day. You see, nice and healthy. Short, fat, and chunky. Watch this. Just fell out. I got really excited on that and set the hook way too early. But nonetheless, little grass bass. That is a chunky fish. That is a chunky fish right there. And he's probably only about 1.5 pounds. Probably only about 14, probably not even 14 inches long, but that is a super fat fish. That's gonna be a future 10-pounder. You gonna put it back? Beautiful. All right. Hey, I can catch a bass on top water. And there are bass in here that wanna bite. That's one of the smallest bass I've ever caught out of here, out of this particular pond. But I'll take it. See, I've been here for 45 minutes. That's my first bite. Okay. On the frog. On the frog. Super shallow too. He was in like 4 inches of water. So when I pull up to a spot and this is what I see, I get very nervous. Would you look at this? Look at all those damn geese. That is insane. Is that a frog or a turtle? That's a big old turtle. Oh my God, it's huge. Holy shit. What I don't want is these geese to fly over or get mad and fly at me. That's a lot of geese. That's like 3 dozen. That's a limit in the state of Maryland this year. 30 geese in the season. But what I'm hoping is they go over there, leave me alone, let me fish all this. Granted, they were all sitting right here when I walked up. So, I don't know if there's going to be any fish here or not, but we'll see. Give it a shot. How's this amazing? Oh, that's a perfect cast. There's got to be a fish there. Come on, fish. Once. There's one. Decent fish. A 2.5 pounder. Don't come off, baby. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't do it. There we go. Smoked it. Hey, easy, 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 easy. Oh yeah. That's good. Oh my gosh, that's a fat fish. Look how fat that fish is. Yeah. Look at that fish. What? That thing is massive. Look at the shoulders on that fish. That thing is an absolute chode. That fish is only like 15 inches and it's like 3 pounds. That is, look how fat that fish is. That's stupid. That is a stupid fat fish. Got that Senko perfectly. I didn't think I hooked her good. Man, I did. I got it right in the fat. Man, that is a beautiful fish. That's how you want them built, folks. That right there is exactly how you want them built. Man, that's a beautiful fish. Just sit there for a sec. Bit immediately. Little one. Bit immediately on the floor. Little guy. How do you go from catching a 3-pound fish that looks like a baby tank, to this? I mean, dude, what are you doing? That's probably this year's fish. Cute little guy. See ya. Unfortunately, that's what a Senko will also catch. A lot of little baby pipsqueaks, but all fish are welcome today. I'm so happy. This is a decent little bite that I'm on here. But no wonder why he didn't go for the frog. The frog was bigger than him. Shit, the worm was the same size as him. But he hit it good. I was just watching my line run. I'm like, huh. Didn't even feel the bite. No wonder why. He weighs as much as a Senko. He's got bit again. Is that the same fish? Hey, bud. That is the same fish. Look. It's the same exact fish. He just bit twice. Same spot. Go that way. That fish bit twice. Holy shit, I wasn't recording for that. I just pulled up here. First cast I made in this pond. 2 feet from me, and this is a jammer. This is a big bass. I don't know how good I got him hooked. I'm actually scared to flip him. Holy smokes, did he crush it though. Don't break. Oh my God, he smoked it. He absolutely smoked it. Come on up, baby. Oh my God, he smoked it. Oh my God. Where's that bass at? Oh yeah. Come here. Come here. Oh my God. Oh, that fish ain't even that big. But you want to talk about crushing it. Oh my God. Wow. You want to talk about smoking it. Right in that grass. Holy crap, he exploded on that thing. I wish I got that on camera. I don't know why I wasn't recording. I thought I was. Then I looked down and I'm like, damn. Holy crap, that was a vicious strike. I thought he was huge. He's only about 2 pounds. Wow, he's feisty. Oh my gosh. Calm down, my bud. That is a gorgeous bass. Gorgeous fish. Put him right back in the slop. Yes, sir. Frog. Oh, I love a frog. I love it. Yeah, that's why I thought he was so big. He had 3 pounds of grass with him. All right, last little spot of the day right here. See if I can get myself a little sign out fish. Got a little drain right here. Typically there's a couple bass stacked up in here. There's one. Look at that, called it. Called that. Nice little 2-pounder right there. I threw the frog in there quite a few times this morning. Nothing. Little 2-pound guy hanging out in that drain. Oh, hey there. Barely hooked. Yeah, I got him good. Man, just got tough mouth on him. Beautiful little fish. Not even that little. Nice fish. Nice fish. Take that all day. Man, should I make that a sign out fish? That was my first little flip in there, and he smoked it. Totally smoked it. Get a little selfie here real quick for the camera. I don't like that picture. Take another one. There we go, it's a little bit better. Put it on the Snapchat. Put it on the gram. Yeah, now we got it on the gram. We're gonna put him back. We're gonna put him back over here though, so maybe he doesn't swim right in there and tell his buddies. All right, see you, bud. All right, I love when I can call my shot like that. Makes me feel like I know what I'm doing, you know? On the Senko. Little Senko guy. Yeah, that's another reason why. You see how far back I'm standing? I'm standing a good, 7, 10 yards back. If I'd have walked right up there, I might have spooked that fish, you know? Typically there's a couple hanging out in there, so. A lot of times it's smaller fish to hang out right here because, there's a lot of minnows and crawfish and, small bluegills that hang out in there. A lot of times it's smaller fish to hang out in that little drain, that little outfall. But I would gladly take a 2-pound fish all day. All day. Man, I should have made that a sign out fish. I don't know if I'm gonna catch another one. Really starting to come down through the rain. Probably making this mic and GoPro sound like crap too. Probably putting off a terrible picture as well. I'm gonna make one more cast. And I'm gonna boot scoop boogie out of here. All right, there's your last cast. We're gonna fish it in, and I'm gonna get out of here. See if you can't make the magic happen here. Grass. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below if you have any questions, comments about the video, want to meet up and fish, let me know. And, I'll try and make that happen. So, thanks for watching, and I appreciate you guys.